The old-time road trip is back in Louisiana, and this time it's for riverboat gambling. We're on our way to the Eldorado Resort and Casino in Shreveport, Louisiana. The Eldorado Resort and Casino in Shreveport, Louisiana. And it's right next to Sam's Town Casino. And through the trees there is Margaritaville. This is the parking garage, and they have free parking here. The entranceway at the Eldorado. Riverboat gambling. This is the back of the riverboat at the Eldorado. And we're right on the river. Across the way is the Louisiana Boardwalk, which is a shopping center, Outdoor World, and Margaritaville. And this is the Sam's Town boat, riverboat. This is the side of the Eldorado. Noodle bar. The Vintage restaurant and bar. Allure Ultra Lounge, and Coolest Bar, Hottest Nightlife, Celebrity Lounge, Eldorado. Okay, I've made it to the room. We'll take a room tour. This is a king-size bed. The phone and a clock. And you control the temperature in the corner there. And you get 2 chairs. And over here you have a TV and a coffee maker. Royal Cup coffee. Mirror. Phone. Desk and a chair. Here's a view of the bed. And we'll go down to the bathroom. There's the door that you come in. And there's a shower and a toilet. The shower. Bathtub. Sink and a mirror. Here's the view from the window. Margaritaville is right across the river. And then outdoor world. And the Louisiana boardwalk. We're right above the Riverboat. Riverboat gambling in Shreveport, Louisiana. And right next door is the Riverboat for Samstown. What a view. The Eldorado is right next to the Shreveport Aquarium. And here's the bridge that goes over the river. And this is a side view of the Eldorado. And across the street is the parking garage. And Proud Mary rolling on the river, 360 grill. This is the Riverboat. And there's another casino down there, the Horseshoe Casino. All of that's in Bossier City. We're in Shreveport on this side. You can see a plane getting ready to land. I made a stop at the Sportsman's Paradise Cafe. I got a bacon cheeseburger with onion rings and an iced tea. Wow, this looks pretty good. Won't be much left when I get through with it.